If you want a bucket of movie theater popcorn at home, now you can with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I know you like staying at home and watching a movie. I do too. Pop in a little Top Gun. I feel the need for speed. But while you're watching that movie at home, you want that full movie theater experience, and that's eating a popcorn out of a popcorn bucket. Who doesn't? So I picked up this, and I have been using them, and I do love them. Orville Redenbacher. You got to be my age to remember when Orville Redenbacher was actually in the Orville Redenbacher commercials. He had that bow tie on. Oh, smart-looking gentleman indeed. But Orville Redenbacher has always made good popcorn, and this is their movie theater butter popcorn. So it's going to be very decadent. Nothing healthy about this. You're not going to get away with saying, hey, it's just popcorn, it's a healthy treat, because this is going to have all the fixes and that extra salt, that extra butter. But I wanted to show this to you because you get this tub of popcorn. It's actually one of the easiest ways to make popcorn. And I love the fact that it makes it in this tub. So you have that movie theater experience, but you're not popping it in a popcorn bag and then having to open up that bag and then pour that bag into a bowl or something at your house that you're going to have to wash up later. So it's kind of all in one. So I really love having these. Now, I just want to quick show you this. It's plastic lined here, and then we have the popcorn in the little popcorn pouch down at the bottom. So it's kind of heavy down here where those seeds are. Now, there are instructions on how to pop this, and I would follow those instructions, but a lot of people have said, and here's the problem, that I don't know what my wattage on my microwave is. I don't get how long I'm supposed to pop it. I get some burnt kernels. Is Orville Redenbacher bad? No. I get. We all have microwaves of different power, and I want to show you how to pop this perfectly every time. Let's try it. All right, standard microwave here. I'm just going to put it in here. Now, I don't know how to use any of these other settings, so I'm actually just going to set this bad boy for 2.5 minutes. Add another 30 seconds on there. That is going to be more than enough, but I'm going to babysit this while it pops. The first mistake people make, and the temptation is to wait until there are no more popping kernels. And what ends up happening is that the kernels that have already popped, by the time those last kernels pop, are burned, and that's why a lot of people complain about them. So what you want to do here is wait till the popping slows. You'll hear it start going off, pop, 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 pop. You're kind of in the middle of that bell curve, and then when it starts slowing down, pop, 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 you want to stop it because you don't want to get greedy. You don't need all of those kernels to pop. What you want is to make sure that the popped ones don't get singed in there. So I'll show you. All right, first kernels are popping here, so we know we're getting pretty close. Only a minute left on the popping. There we go. They're starting to go off a lot more. What we want is that sweet spot where all the kernels are kind of at their popping stage. There it goes. We're also going to be able to see it start to grow there. As you can see, it's coming up on the top, which means we're going to have an overflowing bucket of popcorn, which is awesome. All right, here it is. It's really going, taking off right now. 30 seconds left. You know, we just might get to the 2.5 minutes here. Just don't go any longer than that. Now, it's slowing down here, right? I'm still getting the number of kernels going off, but it's slowing down. I don't want to get greedy. And I'm going to hit off. We only had about 5 seconds left there, and you can hear some of the kernels still going. But that means I'm not just nuking all of those kernels that are already popped, all right? So it's going to be very hot as you take this little bad boy out. Just be very careful that you don't touch it. And then as you peel this top off, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're peeling away. I would use a oven mitt or something because that steam is going to be very, very hot. And so how do we do? Look at that. I've got a full bucket of golden delicious, so aromatic. Smell that popcorn. Still very hot, but that's what it's like when it's fresh. Oh, so much butter on this. You know what? If you're kind of into the health thing, that skinny pop type of stuff, you just want popcorn without all that flavor, with all that buttery flavor, with all that salt, then this is not what you want. I'm just telling you. This is like movie theater butter. But what I get here is all of this in a bucket that I don't have to clean up. I can just throw it away. And I'm ready to enjoy my movie with my popcorn. So either now, I'm going to pop it in frozen or Top Gun. We'll go with Top Gun. If you want a bucket of movie theater popcorn at your home for your next movie, you don't want anything burned, follow my instructions. But I'll put a link to this Orville Redenbacher bucket in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
Oh, now you can? With this. Nope. That was terrible.